Okay, let's talk about open houses. If you don't like open houses, I challenge you to change your mindset on them because they're gold. People that walk into open houses, even if they're a nosy neighbor, they're still a potential customer. They probably don't have a realtor they have a relationship with. And in my experience, those nosy neighbors that come to open houses, it's because they're thinking of selling. Sometimes they don't know they're thinking of selling and they more just want to see what the neighbor's house looks like and how it compares to theirs. So what I suggest you do at an open house is, let's pretend you listed 123 Main Street. You scheduled the open house for Saturday from 12:30 to 3:30. Be sure and reach out to the neighbors. You could do that by door knocking. If you don't know what that is, stay tuned for another video that really highlights door knocking. But you're going to door knock, and in the door knockers that you leave at each home, it's going to say exclusive, neighbor only, or homeowner only open house time between 12 and 12:30. So it's before the scheduled open house. Invite the neighbors to get a preview, capture their information, always have two sign-in methods, a QR code and a regular sign-in sheet, and then be sure and keep in touch with them. Don't know how to keep in touch? Stay tuned for more.